A lot of my videos are scripted, including this one. I can go through an entire notebook in a matter of weeks, from jotting down ideas and writing up voiceovers. Much of the stuff I write down is only needed for a matter of minutes. After that, I turn the page and never to look at it again. This was a huge waste of writing notebooks and a huge waste of money. I stumbled across these type of writing tablets at work. My branch got a shipment of them in, and I saw some people using them in place of their notebooks. I figured one of these would be perfect for use in the studio, so I had GearBest send one over. I opted to pick up a 12-inch model because I wanted something I could fit a lot of writing on. This particular Howshow model can be purchased off GearBest for $17.35, which includes free shipping to the US. If you're interested in purchasing this writing tablet after the review, the link will be down in the description. The form factor of this digital writing pad is excellent for portability. It's only a few millimeters thick and just under 180 grams, making it an optimal tool to throw into a backpack or slide into a laptop bag. It can also handle quite a bit of abuse. It sustained no noticeable damage after a 3-foot corner drop test and a 6-foot side drop test. In my opinion, the writing experience with this writing pad is excellent. I was worried that I might be frustrated with this because the writing feel would vary drastically from paper. Thankfully though, I was pleasantly surprised. Writing on this feels a lot like writing on loose leaf paper with a ballpoint pen. The writing surface of the digital pad is a bit slicker, and I would have preferred a more rounded stylus, as the Stylists' elliptical form factor hurts my hand after writing for a while. You can write very small without any issue, and to my relief, you can rest your hand on the display while writing without it leaving any marks. The display only responds to sharp pressure. The battery life is measured in erases, since these types of LCD writing tablets only require power to clear the screen. The battery life for this model is advertised to be 100,000 erase cycles. Speaking of erasing, an instant one-click erase feature is one of the main selling points of this device. And when the tablet arrived, that feature didn't even work. I was actually just about to tear this thing apart verbally for that. When it first arrived, it took 10 to 15 presses of the button to clear the screen, and that was incredibly frustrating and almost made the writing tablet completely unusable. Well, I just realized that they shipped the tablet with a nearly dead battery. I replaced the battery with a brand new CR 2025 that I bought from the dollar store for $1. And the clear screen feature now works as advertised. It was completely unacceptable to ship this tablet with a dead battery. And on top of that, when I went to replace the battery tray broke, which made it very difficult to get the battery out. With that issue worked out, the tablet works perfectly now. I am, however, worried because the dead battery on arrival could indicate a short in the tablet. It could also be a sign that the manufacturer is sourcing their batteries from somewhere fishy to cut costs. Keeping that in mind, I'm really liking this writing tablet so far, coming in at nearly half the price and offering more screen real estate than the better-known name brand options on the market. This is a really good buy if you're looking for a no-frills, no-thrills writing tablet. Before I end this video, let me address a couple questions that I know I am going to get about this tablet. So, question 1, can you erase individual sections of writing? Nope, it's all or nothing. There's not like an eraser or anything on the back of the stylus. And personally, I think that's fine because most of the time when I'm taking notes, I'll just scribble something out. I usually take my notes in pen, so I'll scribble it out and then just continue on the next line. And you can do the exact same thing with the tablet. And question number 2, can you save what you write to like a flash drive or upload it to your computer? No, this is not that kind of writing tablet. There are tablets on the market that will let you do that. They tend to be very expensive though. But with this one, you know, it stays on the LCD screen. You're not going to be able to upload what you wrote anywhere. Question number 3, will the stylus fall out easily from its place in the tablet? And not really. It is a little loose, so it could become dislodged in a backpack or computer bag or something like that if a book or binder knocks it off. However, if you're just walking around with it in your hand, it's not going anywhere. That is going to be about it for this review. If anyone else runs into issues with the battery being DOA, please let me know, because that means it's more of a widespread issue. And at that point, I really want my viewers to know, because that might be something to turn you away from buying this tablet. But right now, I'm assuming that the battery issue is just isolated to my particular writing tablet that I received. And most of the reviews on GearBest do indicate that no one else is having this issue. So once again, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next installment of A Computers and Technology. Don't forget to check the description out for links, and I will see you next weekend.